So we're going to start out with the first of these shells. This is a 4-inch shell by Wiley. It's a 2 or maybe 3 break of stars with a bottom shot. And a bottom shot is going to be a big bang at the end. Go. Bottom shot. Remember that word, folks, because you're going to see it a lot here at WPA. We don't chintz on the bottom shots. Okay, the next one is by John K. It's also a 4-inch shell. It's a 3 break with bottom shot. The first break is glitter comets with yellow and gold. The second break is glitter comets with blue. And the third break is glitter comets with white strobe. And then what? Bottom shot. That's right. Follow me, folks. Here we go. Go. Is it dead? Okay, well, sometimes we're making them here by hand, and sometimes that works, and sometimes that doesn't. It could be the E-match, but we're going to move on. The next one is also by John K., and it's a 4-inch 3 break with bottom shot. All breaks are gold glitter crossettes. Thanks. Next one is by Ray Ray, but it's not the end of the show Ray Ray shots that we have. It's a 5-inch by Ray Ray. And there's 4 identical shells, and they're gold glitter comets to reports. A report means a bang with blue center to bottom shot. And what is a bottom shot? An enormous bang. Fired in quick succession. Take it away. Hey, pretty nice, huh? This must be the bottom shots. The next one is a 6-inch fireworks by Ozark Fireworks, and it's a willow diadem with comets that explode into a spiral of reports. And again, like, wow, we're at WPA. Huh? You can't buy these off the shelf at the fireworks store. Hey. All right, the next one is also by Ozark Fireworks. It's an 8-inch, 10 multicolored 3-inch inserts. So that basically means inside that 8-inch shell, there's 10 3-inch smaller inserts or shells, and they are multicolored. See, I translated that for you. Wait, you guys saw that, right? That was intense. That was the Emperor's new shell. The next one is also by Ozark's Fireworks, and it's a 12-inch girandola. Girandolas are very special here. If you see it coming towards you, run like heck. A girandola with whistle gerbs, glitter gerbs, and it's going to leave a gold glittering tail on the way up. Fire. Good job, Ozark Fireworks. Okay, the next one is by John K., and it's a 6-inch 3 break with bottom shot. The first break is a ring of gold comets with variegated inserts. The second ring is red inserts. The third ring is gold comets with variegated inserts. And then what? Bottom shot. It's like the whole fireworks store in one. Okay, the next one is by Wiley. It's a 6-inch 3 break of gold glitter with green centers and a bottom shot. Go figure. Go. you may wonder why there's so many bottom shots. Well, they had a sale at the bottom shot store, of course. The next one is by David W. It's a 6-pound black powder rocket, and it has headings containing color and reports. So this is a nice size rocket. Go. That's what it says. Oh, I'm sorry, 6 pounds. 6 pounds. So that would be referred to as a flight of rockets. The next one is also another flight of 6-pound rockets with various headings, and they're going to be fired one at a time, and that's by Caleb and Uncle Witty. You can see the difference between the rockets and the ball shells with that tail going all the way up, propelling it. So some folks were asking, hey, how do you launch those back there? We have some really big bottles. They're huge, they're huge. Just the storage costs on those bottles over the winter is incredible, so you should support the club. The next shell is going to be a 6-inch shell by Wiley. First break is 5 timed reports. Those are 5 timed bangs. And then the second break will be green and purple glitter with married comets to a spiral of reports, more bangs, and finishes with a bottom shot, which is a Bang. Timed reports. More reports. Bottom shot. Not bad, huh? These folks are pretty crafty. Every family has somewhere in the family one of these folks who come to WPA here in their garage, twisting knobs, screwing things. What the heck is he doing in there? And they all shake out around the country and end up here at the WPA, and we're blessed for that. The next one is by Uncle Witty. It's a 7-inch, 3-color breaks to a bottom shot, green outer, white inner, and magenta center. Nice. The next one is also by, bottom shot. How could I forget? Sorry, folks. The next one is also a 7-inch by Uncle Witty with, I'm sorry, I've got ahead of myself here. We're doing an 8-inch by Wiley. Well, I did skip one? Okay, they're both basically the same. So back to Uncle Witty, 7-inch, 3-color breaks alike to a what? Bottom shot to red outer, blue inner, and gold center. Gold center. Nice. Bottom shot. Okay, the next one is an 8-inch by Wiley. It opens with 5 timed reports, then a spiral of color inserts that goes around 3 times. So look for that spiral to repeat 3 times, and then finishes with a bottom shot. This is a test of a more powerful bursting charge, which is the type of powder that's used to break the shell open. So if the whole shell goes off with a bang, hey, no additional charge to you, folks. Could use a little more oxidizer. All right, we got another one by Wiley. That's 3 breaks that each open to a ring of small reports, to a ring of blue and pink inserts arranged in quadrants, then a bottom shot. Ooh. What? So far, I'm leaning towards that one in case, if I can get a case price on that one. The next one is also by Wiley. It's an 8-inch. First break is 2 rings of small reports to 5 large timed reports, to a second break of ring of small reports to a spiral, then a ring, then a double spiral in the opposite direction, and lastly a bottom shot. I'm getting a tattoo on the way out of here. Bottom shot was on top? No, there it was. All right, then we have got John K. And the first one is a 2 6-inch palm trees with an 8-inch palm tree. And I think fired almost immediately after that is center. Well, there are 2 of those shells. They're both 8-inch. 2 and then 1. Or 1 then 2. Nice. All right, we're on our last page of shells, of member shells tonight, and we've got Uncle Witty with an 8-inch, 3 breaks all alike to a bottom shape. Each break should display 3 expanding rings of color inserts. So you're getting a lot of detail here. We're not sparing the chemicals here, my friends. Next one is a 12-inch, and that's pretty big. If you can imagine a bowling ball that's a firework, you pretty much are talking about a 12-inch by Uncle Witty, and it's single breaks of various stars and inserts. So it's all kinds of stuff all kind of mixed up in one single break. 12-inch. Oh! And like I said, folks, no additional charge. Some events might charge extra for that. All right, so we've got Ray Ray next, and some other folks know when I say Ray Ray that means something, so Ray Ray. And it's a 12-inch, 3-petal ball shell. The outer petal is gold to green strobe, to second petal of yellow, to an inner petal is zinc granite to white strobe, and then red to white strobe pistol in the very center. And he's got the biggest line on my spreadsheet here, and you know that means something. 12 inches. So for your reference, shells generally go up about 100 feet per each inch in diameter. So an 8-inch shell is going up 800 feet roughly, and that 12-inch shell went up roughly 1,200 feet. Dropping knowledge at the WPA. The next one is by Caleb and Uncle Witty. It's an 8 and a 10-inch, 6 shells fired simultaneously, Tiger Willow, pardon me. Oh, hello. Oh, yeah. Again, a lot of events would have just called that a day and gone home, but that's just our warm-up show for the night. The next one is 10 shells fired simultaneously, or all at once, as it may be. 8 and 10-inch shells, 10 of them fired simultaneously, silver to red. Oh, hello. Somebody's going to have to rejig those guns for them. They might be mines. All right, well, that does it for the member shells tonight, and